How to find Temu Invoice. First things first is decide whether if you will be using your laptop or PC or from the application itself. Now in this video I'm currently using my laptop, so just head over directly to your preferred web browser and go to temu.com's official website. Now in here you just have to log into your account first, and then once you have successfully logged in, just go directly to orders and account. So if you're using the application, it is usually located at the lower right portion of your phone. Now just simply click or tap on your current orders and account, and you will now then be redirected to all the recent orders that you have. So this is going to be the field in which you have a vision of the orders that you did in the past and all the successful orders. So just simply choose on any orders that you want to view the receipt, and once you have clicked on the current orders that you'd like to download the receipt or the invoice, then the view forward slash receipt will just be visible by there. So just simply click on that and it will automatically be downloaded, generally as a PDF file. So that's it. That's how you find invoice on Temu.